In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the progress bar feature in Monday.com effectively. Monday.com is a fantastic work operating system designed to help teams manage projects and workflows with ease. It's an incredibly versatile tool, and today we're going to delve into how you can track progress using its progress bar functionality. To get started, the first thing you need to do is navigate to a board within your Monday.com account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of all the boards available to you. Select the one that you'd like to track progress on. Boards are essentially your project dashboards, so choose the one that aligns with the task or project you're managing. It's important to have a clear understanding of the task at hand, as this will help you set up your progress bars effectively. Now, with your chosen board open, you'll want to look for the little plus sign. This plus sign is your gateway to adding new elements or features to your board. Click on it, and you'll be presented with several options. What you're looking for is the progress tracking feature, which is a powerful tool for visualizing how far along you are with your tasks or projects. By keeping track of what's been completed versus what still needs to be done, you can manage your projects more efficiently. Once the options appear, type in progress tracking in the search box. This will bring up the necessary feature. Typing it in helps in pinpointing exactly what you're looking for, especially within a system that's as robust as Monday.com. It's a simple step, but essential if you want to move quickly through the setup process. After selecting progress tracking from the list, click on it. This action will add a progress tracking column to your board. With this new column in place, you can now visualize progress directly on your board. You'll notice that it appears alongside other columns such as statuses, dates, or assignees. It's designed to give you a quick glance overview of how your project is moving along by representing the progress in a clear graphical manner. The progress bar is color-coded to provide a visual representation of different stages of task completion. Typically, as tasks are completed, the bar fills up, allowing anyone who views the board to immediately understand the project's status. This feature is immensely helpful not just for project managers, but for entire teams who need to stay in sync about ongoing tasks and responsibilities. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully integrated a progress bar into your Monday.com board, allowing you to keep better track of your projects and tasks. Remember, a well-tracked project is a well-managed project. Now that you know how to use the progress bar, go ahead and explore other features that Monday.com has to offer to enhance your workflow even further.